Hi folks, I'm Mark Johnson, and today Artisan Restoration is working on a log home that we did 3 years ago and totally stripped it, did chinking repair, log repairs, and gave it 3 coats of stain. And today we're back here to do the warranty coat, which is just the clear coat. And I was also going to do some work on the chimney uh, behind me here. And we realized that it's pretty high up there, a lot higher than it looked when I was looking at the photographs uh, from 3 years ago. And there's just no way that we can access it. We've got a heavy duty man lift down here that we tried to reach it with from where it's located, and it wouldn't reach it. So then we brought it halfway up the hill, and I think we were going to tip it over if we'd continued trying to reach it. But anyhow, it's a beautiful log home on a really steep sloping lot. Um, the that deck you see in the back of the house, that the floor of that deck is level with the basement floor, which tells you how much slope we have here. And anyhow, um, we found a bunch of rot on some of the logs on the front of the garage over here, and we're gonna take the chimney repair budget and we're gonna put it towards the log repairs. Um, when we were here before, we found some decay and we put some boron rods in the areas and we sealed them up good, and we covered them with some copper flashing. And just from here, like the log right above these purlins here that stick out of the house, the log above it's got these really dark spots, and each one of those dark spots represents decay. And you can see the same thing on the purlin logs, or the ones coming out of the house. They've got dark spots on them. And this one right here's got some kind of little fungus growing out of the side of it. And anyhow, the boron really didn't do its job. It's kind of like giving chemo to somebody with cancer, and we didn't kill the rot with this thing, with our boron treatment. And now we have to do some epoxy repair, and hopefully that'll take care of it and prevent log replacement, which is even more expensive. So around the back of the house, we have a similar situation with the logs sticking out of the wall, and there the chinking has failed, and the log directly below those is rotted over a period of 10 feet. So we're going to have to do some epoxy repair there, or perhaps put a Dutchman in there, which is a piece of wood, which looks better in the long run. So anyhow, that's where we're at today. It's a beautiful house, but if it didn't have as wide overhang as it's got, we would have a lot more repair to do. Oh, and there's one spot there in the center where there's that vertical post in the middle. At the bottom of that, we found decay before, and we repaired it and put chinking over it, and the sinking has failed, and decay is starting in again. So we're gonna have to do some more epoxy work there. So, never-ending process when you've got a log home.